Hello and welcome to this how-to video presenting the ultimate step-by-step guide to perfect gut health, script. Achieving truly perfect gut health might seem like an impossible dream, especially if you're navigating persistent digestive issues or managing autoimmune symptoms. You might have tried various things, felt overwhelmed by conflicting advice, or found that quick fixes just don't deliver lasting results. The common problem is that quick solutions often fail to address the underlying habits and imbalances that truly determine long-term wellness. The truth is, your gut health is fundamental to your overall well-being and is deeply connected to your immune system. With a significant portion of your immune system residing in your gut, its state directly impacts your body's ability to manage inflammation and maintain health. When this delicate ecosystem is out of balance, it can contribute to chronic inflammation and worsen symptoms. Experts emphasize that addressing gut health is a pivotal step, particularly for those with autoimmune concerns. So what does a real step-by-step guide look like? It must move beyond just telling you what is important and show you how to implement lasting change. It starts with recognizing that sustainable transformation is built on consistent, small changes. It involves building simple yet powerful routines that support your gut. It requires proven strategies and an actionable plan to incorporate these into your everyday life. A comprehensive guide begins with assessment. You need to understand where you are starting from, taking stock of your current health habits without judgment. This involves evaluating key aspects of your diet, lifestyle, and tracking symptoms to create a personalized baseline. Experts highlight that knowing your starting point is the cornerstone of any transformation. But the next step is often addressing nutrition, as it's the foundation. A guide needs to show you how to build a balanced gut environment through diet, recognizing how food choices impact nutrient absorption and immune function. It involves understanding how a balanced diet helps create a thriving gut environment. This goes beyond simple tips and requires a framework for incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods, balancing meals with whole foods including healthy fats, and practicing mindful eating. Building a personalized meal plan that fits your unique needs is also a crucial step. Identifying inflammatory triggers is another essential phase. A guide must provide a clear framework and practical steps to pinpoint the foods, supplements, and lifestyle habits that may be fueling inflammation in your body. This involves reviewing your intake and habits, tracking reactions, and analyzing for patterns. Learning how to implement gradual elimination techniques safely is key to adjusting your system without overwhelm. Beyond diet, a complete guide must integrate crucial lifestyle practices. Stress and sleep significantly impact gut health. Chronic stress disrupts the gut barrier and microbiome. Poor sleep alters gut bacteria and compromises immunity. Therefore, managing stress through mindfulness and optimizing sleep quality and physical activity are vital steps. Integrating these complementary actions supports your healing journey. Sharing it with a friend who might also benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in more science-backed strategies for your well-being, we'd love for you to subscribe. Targeted supplementation can sometimes provide support, but it works best when strategically integrated with diet and lifestyle. A guide would explain the roles of probiotics, prebiotics, and essential nutrients, and provide a framework for choosing and integrating them smartly based on your specific needs. Pulling all of this together into a cohesive, actionable plan requires a structured, step-by-step approach. It's about building a robust base, a healthy gut, before adding layers of strategies that support immune resilience. A guide should provide a clear roadmap, helping you make gradual dietary shifts, introduce stress relief activities, and document your journey. It should empower you to make informed decisions based on your body's responses. If you are looking for a comprehensive, step-by-step system that takes you from assessing your current health through identifying triggers building foundational diet and lifestyle habits, addressing stress and sleep, and incorporating smart supplementation, all within a clear framework for consistent progress and lasting change, then a complete guide is what you need. This is how you move beyond quick fixes and build a resilient foundation for your overall health. Thank you for watching and exploring the concept of the ultimate step-by-step guide to perfect gut health. If you're interested in learning more details and gaining a comprehensive step-by-step guide that covers all the essential areas for transforming your gut health, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. For a complete program that provides this entire framework, practical tools, and expert guidance to implement this guide and achieve lasting wellness, you can find the link to our full course also in the description. If you're ready to take charge of your gut health and immune system, like this video as a commitment to your well-being. Share this proven protocol with anyone who needs to fix their digestive issues. And for the complete step-by-step guide to a healthier, more vibrant life, subscribe to our channel today.